Hey folks, Rob with Two Guys at a Ride here with Nathan, and we are at Osceola Heritage Park, and this is Kissimmee, and it's Mecum auction time, January 22. Boy, I'll tell you what, we've got right here a 1960 Chevrolet Impala Tri-Power. Oh man, now its auction date is Thursday, the 13th, and so by the time you see this video, it will have crossed the auction block. Now this is an original unrestored car. It does have that Tri-Power 348 cubic inch, 335 horsepower engine. It's coded T109 FE, indicating it was built with a high-performance solid lifter cam, 4-speed manual transmission, 3 2-barrel carburetors as well. Boy, this thing's got some power. Its laser straight body is still on, and it still has the original black GM paint, and it has the original black and white Houndstooth interior and beautiful, amazing factory floor mats. It does have power brakes, a push-button radio. I love those spinner hubcaps, and it has those beautiful dual rear antennas, and it does have a clock. It was purchased new at Sterling Chevrolet in Hancock, Minnesota. Now we know a little bit about that, being from Minnesota, and it's from a personal collection since new. It only has 68,000 original miles, and it does come with documents and receipts. Now, the 1959 Chevrolet Impala was redesigned, sharing body shells with lower-end Buicks and Oldsmobiles, as well as with Pontiac, which was, of course, part of a GM economy move. The Chevrolet's wheelbase was 1.5 inches longer, and it used a new X-frame chassis. The roofline was 3 inches lower, bodies were 2 inches wider, and curb weight increased. Yeah, I tell you, gotta love those late 50s, early 60s. Its tail fins also protruded outward rather than upward. The Impala became a separate series, adding a 4-door hardtop and a 4-door sedan to the 2-door Sport Coupe and convertible. Sport Coupes featured a shortened roofline and wrap-over back window. The standard engine was an inline 6, while the base V8 was the carryover 283, making 185 horsepower. Optional were a 283 with 290 horsepower and a 348 up to 335 horsepower. Standard were front and rear armrest and an electric clock, dual sliding sun visors, and crank-operated front vent windows. A contoured hood instrument panel held deep-set gauges. A 6-way power seat was a new option, as was speed minder for the driver to set a needle at a specific speed, and if you surpassed that, a buzzer would sound to let you know you had exceeded your preset speed. Again, folks, this beautiful car will cross the auction block on Thursday, the 13th of January. So once you see this video, unfortunately, it will be sold. But we just wanted to give you an idea of some of the absolutely fantastic, beautiful, awesome cars here at Kissimmee Mecum Auctions. Wow, you gotta go.